So good morning everyone. So we will start our next problem, that is fifth problem. So the printed price of a book is 150 rupees and a discount is 15%. What is the printed price? That is 150 rupees. So how much discount they have given? That is 15 rupees. Find the actual amount to be paid. So how much amount we have to pay? We have to find. So here this is fifth solution. What is the printed price? Printed price of book is how much? 150 rupees. And how much discount they have given? Discount is equals to 15%. So for how much amount they has to sell, we have to find here. Okay, so that will be, what is 15% of 150 we have to find first. So that is 15% of 150. 15% can be written as 15 by 100 into 150. Here 0 will get cancelled. I am cancelling in 5 table now. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So 15 3s are is 45. 45 by 2. So 45 by 2, divide this value. 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4.5. That will be 22.5 rupees. So how much discount they are giving? That is 22.5 rupees they are giving the discount. So what we have to find? How much amount we have to find? We have to pay. We have to find. So amount should be paid. Amount should be paid is how much here? That is, from 150 we have to subtract 22.5 rupees. So if you subtract 150 and minus 22.5, that will be 127.5 rupees. So what is the discount? After taking out the discount from the printed price, you got it as 127.5 rupees. So this is our fifth solution. Now sixth one. What is sixth question? The market price of a gift item is 176 rupees and sold it for 165. Find the discount percentage. So what we have to find? We have to find the discount percentage. So here what is the market price? Market price of a gift. Gift is how much? 176 rupees. And what is the selling price here? Selling price is equals to 165 rupees. So we have to find the discount value and also discount percentage value we have to find. So discount is equals to, what we have to do? MP minus SP. That is, discount is equals to, what is the MP value? 176 minus 165 rupees. So discount is equals to 5 minus 4 is 1, 7 minus 6 is 1. So what is the discount value here? 11 rupees. Now what we have to find? We have to find the discount percentage. So discount percentage is equals to discount by market price into 100. So what is the discount formula? Discount is equals to market price, discount by market price into 100. So discount percentage is equals to, what is the discount value? That is 11 rupees by market price is how much? 176 into 100. So we will do cancellation here. 11 ones are will be 11. 6 will be remaining. 11 6 are 66. Still can we cancel? In 2 table I am cancelling, or you can do in 4 table. 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 4 5s are 20. So how much you got? Discount percentage is equals to 25 by 4%. 24 by 5, 25 by 4 is nothing but 4 1s are 4 6s are 24. 1 will be remaining 0.25. That means that will be 6.25%. So what is the discount percentage here? 6.25%. Okay, so this is our sixth solution. And our seventh one. So what is seventh one here? That is, a shopkeeper purchased 200 bulbs for 10 rupees. For 10 rupees he has each 10 rupees. How many bulbs he has purchased? That is 200 bulbs. However, 5 bulbs were fused. 5 bulbs are fused, they are not working, and put them into scrap. The remaining were sold at 12 rupees each. The remaining bulbs, that is in 200 bulbs, 5 are fused, and how many bulbs are remaining? That is 195 bulbs are remaining. Each bulb he has sold for 12 rupees. So find the gain or loss percentage. We have to find the gain or loss percentage. So first, how many bulbs he has bought? Total number of bulbs. Bulbs is equals to 200, and each one he has bought for 10 rupees. Cost of each bulb. Bulb is 10 rupees. That means cost of 200 bulbs will be 200 into 10. That will be equals to 2000 rupees. For bringing 200 bulbs, he has spent 2000 rupees. Now in that, how many are fused? 5 are fused. Number of bulbs fused is equals to 5. That means how many are remaining now? Remaining bulbs. Bulbs is equals to 200 minus 5, that will be 195 bulbs. Okay, and each bulb he has sold for 12 rupees. Cost of each bulb is how much? 12 rupees. Then what is the cost of 195 bulbs? That will be 195 into 12. Multiply this. That will be 2340 rupees. Now what we have to find? We have to find the, he got loss or gain we have to find. So how to find that? Selling price you write here. Selling price of each bulb. Okay. So now what is the cost price? CP is 2000 rupees. That means he bought for 2000 rupees. He sold for 2340 rupees. That means his SP value is greater than CP value. That means he got the gain. How much gain he got? That is SP minus CP. So SP is 2340 minus CP is 2000 rupees. So what is the gain value here? Gain is 340 rupees. Okay. Now what we have to find? We have to find the gain percentage also. So what is the gain percentage formula? That is gain by CP into 100. Okay. So what is the gain percentage formula? Gain by CP into 100. So gain percentage is equals to how much gain he got? That is 340 by what is the CP value? That is 2000 into 100. Now here 0, 0 will get cancelled, 0, 0 will get cancelled, 0, 0 will get cancelled. Now 2 1s are, 2 17s are. So what is the gain percentage here? Gain percentage is 17%. So this is our 7th solution. So once again say this, total number of bulbs are 200 and cost price of each bulb is how much? 10 rupees. Okay, so cost price of 200 bulbs will be how much? 200 into 10, that will be equals to 2000 rupees. So cost price he got it as 2000. Now number of bulbs fused are how many? 5. So in this total we have to subtract that 5, that will be equals to 195 bulbs, and he sold each bulb for 12 rupees. Okay, so that is SP of 195 bulbs will be how much? 2340 rupees. Now what is CP? CP is 2000, SP is 2340. Here SP value is greater than CP, that means he is having gain here. How much gain? That is equals to 340 rupees. Now what we have to find? We have to find the gain percentage. So what is the gain percentage formula? Gain by CP into 100. Gain is how much? 340 by CP value is 2000 into 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. 0, 0 will get cancelled. 2 1s are, 2 17s are 34. So he got the gain of 17%. So next one, that is 9th solution. So what is 9th question? A table was sold for 2142 rupees. A table, what is the selling price of a table? That is 2142 at the gain of 5%. He got the gain of 5%. So at what price should it be sold to gain 10%? So first we have to find the CP value. How? That is by using, they have given the SP and gain. By using these two values we have to find the CP value first. After getting the CP value, then we have to find the SP value again for the gain of 10%. Okay. So first is what? Sold. That means SP of a table is how much? 2142 rupees. Okay. Next is how much gain he got? Gain percentage is equals to, that is 5%. Now what we have to find? CP value we have to find. So what is the formula? Which formula we have to use? CP in terms of gain formula we have to use. That is CP is equals to 100 into SP by 100 plus gain percentage. Okay. Now CP is equals to 100 into, what is the SP value? 2142 by 100 plus 5. So CP is equals to, multiply these two, that will be 214200. 2,14,200 by 105. Now you can do cancellation in 5 table. 5 21s are, 5 4s are 20. 5 2s are 10, 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, 5 zeros are 0. Okay. Now here 21 is there, here remove, here 42,840 is there. So first you add this, 8 plus 2 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, 14 plus 4 is 18. It will not go in, 18 will go in 3 table, 3 5s are 15, 3 6 are 18. So we can cancel in 3 table now. 3 7s are 21, 3 1s are 3, 1 will be remaining, 3 4s are 12, 3 2s are 6, 3 8s are 24, 3 zeros are 0. Can we cancel in 7 table? Yes, we can cancel in 7 table now. 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14. At a time we are taking two numbers, that means 0. 7 fours are 28, 7 zeros are 0. That means what is the CP value? 2040 rupees. Okay, so what is the cost price? Cost price is 2040. He sold for 2142. That means he got it as gain only. Now what is the next equation in that? At what price should he be sold to gain 10%? Now for getting 10% more, so for which amount he has to sell, we have to find. Okay, so already we got the CP value. So CP value is how much? 2040 rupees. And he wants a gain of 10%, it seems. Okay, so for what amount he has to sell, we have to find. Okay, that is SP we have to find. SP in terms of gain formula is what? SP is equals to CP into 100 plus gain percentage by 100. So this is the formula for SP. What is the SP formula? SP is equals to CP into 100 plus gain percentage by 100. Don't be confused here. Gain and profit both are same. Here SP is equals to, what is CP value? 2040 into 100 plus gain percentage is how much? 10 by 100. Now SP is equals to 2040 into 100 plus 10 will be 110 by 100. Here 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. What is this SP value? That is 204 into 11. So SP will be, multiply these two, 402, 402. That will be 2244 rupees. That means for getting 10% of gain, he has to sell for 2244 rupees. So this is our 9th solution. Okay, so next is next problems we will continue tomorrow. Thank you.